Hola, bienvenidos, and now welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Amofa here. Amofa. So I recently got some brushes. Piece Morphe eye brush. It's called All Eye. Do you get it? Eye. Okay, sorry. It's called All I Want. So it comes in this really cool leather bag, which is definitely gonna be my travel purse for my brushes from now henceforth. It comes with 6 brushes, which I will be using for this look, and as I go on using the brushes, I will mention their names and their uses. We're gonna rush through the base and focus on the eyes. And before we even proceed, have you subscribed? Guys, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section if you want. Okay, so I've put on all that. Now we're gonna go into the brush set, and I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. So we have an angled brush and a spoolie for the brows, and we have this small flat chisel brush to clean out my brows. Start with this, of course, using Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Ebony. Using the brush, I'm gonna brush up my brows. Let's see whether this brush would work. It's really soft. I like my angle brushes for my brows to be a bit firmer, but let us see. We can't judge until we've tried it. Like I predicted, it's too soft, so it wasn't giving me the firm, hard strokes that I usually get with my BH Cosmetic angle brush. But let's keep moving. I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution, the same one I used for highlighting. I'm gonna put this on it and clean up my brows. So I really think this brush does clean up the brows well. I've never been one to use a flat brush like this to clean up brows. And I rarely ever, not that I never, I rarely ever clean the top of my brows unless that day is a terribly bad day. But today isn't one of those days. Today is a good day. For today's eye look, I'm just going to use one palette, and that's going to be the Zaran Splash Color palette, which we have 4 more brushes. So first of all, I'm going to use the firm blender brush, and for transition color today, we're going to be using the color Burnt. This burnt is supposed to be orange. On the camera, it does look orange, but when I look in the mirror, it looks pink. Now using circular motions, I'm just gonna blend that out. Taking tapered crease brush, I'm gonna go into Feisty. Now for the lid, I'm gonna take this small chiseled brush, and I'm gonna take the color Mystery, and I'm just gonna pat that all over my eyelid and take it just a little bit into the crease. I am experiencing some fallout, so I'm gonna put a little bit of setting powder. Now I'm gonna take a bit of setting spray to see if I can bring out the pigmentation a bit more. Now taking the small chisel brush, I'm gonna go into the color Funk. That's what I'm gonna use to highlight the inner corners of my eye. Taking the blue eye pencil from Jordana, I'm gonna line my waterline. Going back in with the first brush that I used for burnt, I'm just gonna smudge that a bit on my waterline. So guys, this is the finished look. So these brushes, I loved every single one except this one because it wasn't strong enough to give me the firm, chiseled, brush-like strokes I have. Pros, absolutely love the brushes. I think they're ideal to give me the eye look that I need. Cons, I don't like the fact that they're white. Can you just tell? Like, I just have to wash my brushes now. It's a pro and a con, but do I love them? Yes, I do. These will probably be my go-to travel eye brushes. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. Remember to stay tuned, hit the notification button so that you do get notifications as I post my videos. And I have videos coming up twice a week, Saturdays and Wednesdays, so make sure you check them out. And since you might have a little bit more time, why don't you just swim through the other videos I have or what I have and see if you like anything better or not. Until next time, guys, bye.